A recipe requires, whatever you call that, 2 1/4 cup grapes, all right? If the recipe is halved, how many cups of grapes are required, all right? So we got the situation here. It's a fraction. It's a mixed number, so to speak. That 2 1/4 kind of makes it sound like, okay, I've got 2 cups, then I've got a fourth to add in. That's okay. I mean, it's the same thing. It's the same thing as joining, saying 2 1/4, all right? 2 1/4 there. So let's see how this is going to work. We're going to pick up our 2 1/4 cups. And to be halved, that means, folks, that means we're either going to call it multiplying by half or dividing by 2. You say, which one is it? Which one is it? Well, let's check out. First of all, let's say if we half, we divide by 2. It's a mixed number divided by a whole number here, all right? Pretty straightforward in our world of fractions and arithmetic. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to make improper fractions, but we need to do something about that 2. We need to put something about that 2. Let's put a 1 underneath it. Because you know what's going to happen. When we do the division moment here, we're going to change this to multiplication. So what's going to happen is we're going to pick up 2 1/4 times 1/2. Well, you know, that's the same thing I just mentioned ago, whether you can divide by 2 or whether you multiply by 1/2. But what we've got to do first, even beyond that, we've got this 1/2 kicking, all right? But now we've got to do something with that 2 1/4. And we've got to have done all at one step. And you know what's going to be? It's going to be time for an improper fraction situation. So let's say 2 times 4 gives us 8. We're going to add that 1 to that, right? Y'all got that one? And it's going to be 9/4. Now, don't jump the gun on me here. Don't jump the gun, all right? The 1/2 comes along for the ride. I look and I hope, but I see no cancellations here, all right? So we're going to end up saying 9 times 1 on top, which is going to give me, also gives me 9, and then 4 times 2, which is going to give me 8, all right? And we do 9 times 1, we get 9, as I said, divided by 8. We're still improper, and I don't really know what 9/8 of a cup looks like. Most of us don't either. So we're going to make this into a mixed number, and that tells me 8 goes into 9 one time, and you know I have 1 left over, so my solution is 1 1/8 cups of grapes. Now, does it work? Can we check it? Let's do a quick check. All right, how about it? 1 1/8 times 2. We want to reverse the process. Can we get back to 2 1/4? Well, we had 9/8. We knew that. Times our 2/1. You know, this time we do get to do a little cancellation. I was hoping we would. There's 1, there's 4. We got 9/4. And you know what that does? That's 2 1/4. It checks back through from what we started with right up there, all right?
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.